Hello there. Thanks for joining us. I'm really glad you did because today's very special because I have my little friend Paisley here and we're going to make some creatures out of creative clay. So let's get into it. So first step is to take out 3 blue packets of clay. Once we've got them, we do the fun part.
Mixing.
And we can mix it all up.
Yeah.
Oh, you've done that before. You know the technique.
Yeah.
All right, roll it into a ball.
Okay.
And then pluck sort of like 3 little ones out there and then roll them into little balls. Tell you what, we'll make 5
Okay.
balls. Make one fairly small.
Like very small? Okay, that's my small one.
That's perfect. So the next thing we have to do is we have to make our dolphin's body. We do that and kind of make a teardrop shape like this. Right?
Like that?
Yeah, perfect. And then we put that on the table here so he's got a flat part on his tummy. Perfect. Might just taper that tail a little bit so it looks a bit more. Actually, mine's probably done a bit too. That's perfect. All right. Then we'll grab one of our balls and we squash it out like this. And then we stick that on like that. Then we can grab our tool, grab this one.
Which one? This one?
Yep. And then we're going to make a tail. Cut like a little V shape out of it. That's it. Awesome.
Okay.
Yep. Pluck that out. All right, and then just neaten that up a bit. And next, we flatten out 3 more balls. Awesome. Now, we grab our knife. We're going to put his dorsal fin in.
Oh.
All right, so.
Like a triangle?
Absolutely, you got it. Oops. Good job. And then we press our dorsal fin onto our dolphin.
There?
Yep. Awesome.
There we go.
That looks good. Yours looks a bit more like a shark, but that's okay. All right, now let's do the same here.
Or another one.
Yeah, another 2. These are going to be the sides here.
Oh, okay.
Then once you got them done, then we stick them on the bottom side here. Oops, mine's a bit big, but that's okay. He's starting to take shape, isn't he?
Yeah.
All right, the last thing we have to do.
Eyes and its mouth.
You know why it's called a bottlenose dolphin, don't you?
Do I add all these together?
Yeah. Because its nose looks like a bottle.
I think mine is too big.
I think he might. It'll look more like a narwhal. Good job, Paisley. That's good. Oh, that's really cute. Now you just put some eyes.
Okay.
Oh,
Oopsies.
don't worry about it. Got another one. That's it. One eye. Two eyes.
There we go.
I like yours, Paisley. It looks good. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you can pick up some creative clay because it really is a fantastic medium and kids just love it. So thank you very much, Paisley, for helping me today. You'll have to come back again.
Okay.
Would that be all right? All right. Until next time, keep on creating.